Are you experiencing issues with your plan upgrade not reflecting the changes you requested? You're not alone. Many T-Mobile customers encounter situations where their plan upgrades, whether through the app, website, or in-store, don't immediately show the correct data allowance, features, or billing adjustments. This can lead to incorrect charges, throttled data speeds, and overall frustration. As of March 2026, this issue persists despite T-Mobile's efforts to address it. Several factors contribute to plan upgrade discrepancies at T-Mobile. These include back-end synchronization problems, software bugs, high server loads during peak hours, manual entry errors by customer service agents, and specific issues with credit check lags. Back-end synchronization problems occur between T-Mobile's various systems, the billing database, customer-facing app, and carrier network. When these don't sync properly, upgrades fail to reflect correctly. Software bugs can cause unexpected errors in the upgrade process. High server loads during peak hours overwhelm the system, leading to delays. Occasional manual entry errors by customer service agents can also contribute to issues. Upgrades from prepaid to postpaid plans are especially prone to errors due to credit check lags, which can delay the entire process. T-Mobile has overhauled its billing infrastructure, incorporating AI-driven verification to ensure plan changes are processed within 24 to 48 hours. They introduced the Plan Guardian feature in their app, which allows users to track the real-time status of their upgrades. Internal metrics show this feature has reduced unresolved issues by approximately 40%. The impact on customers can be significant. In a 2025 case, a nationwide outage caused a 72-hour delay in plan upgrades, leading to millions in refunds. Customers have also reported being charged for data overages after upgrading to unlimited plans because the upgrade did not reflect properly in the billing system. On online forums, you can still find several users each month detailing similar problems, highlighting the persistence of this issue. This issue can often lead to service cancellations. Experts acknowledge that T-Mobile's responsiveness has improved in recent years, but systemic issues persist. Analysts point to the need to address legacy system integrations to prevent upgrade errors. While T-Mobile claims a high-resolution rate, external audits have found accuracy rates to be lower. There's always room for improvements and accountability, as reported by consumer advocates. If your T-Mobile plan upgrade isn't reflecting correctly, start with the basics. First, try refreshing your T-Mobile app and restarting your phone to clear any temporary glitches. Second, contact T-Mobile customer service through multiple channels. You can call them, use live chat in the app, or visit a store for in-person help. Third, document all your interactions with customer service. Note the dates, times, and names of representatives you speak with. Fourth, always ask for a ticket or reference number for your issue. This gives you a way to track progress and follow up. Fifth, if the issue persists, escalate it. Request to speak with a supervisor or use formal escalation channels for faster resolution. Finally, be prepared to provide proof of your upgrade request, such as confirmation emails, screenshots, or order numbers, to help resolve the issue quickly. Looking ahead, T-Mobile is investing heavily in AI and blockchain technology to improve billing accuracy and prevent upgrade discrepancies. The trend is towards more self-service options and predictive analytics, where AI flags potential errors before they impact customers. Regulatory scrutiny may also increase, with the FCC potentially mandating real-time upgrade confirmation mandates in the future. As 5G, 6G adoption grows, addressing data complexity will be crucial. Overall, T-Mobile is positioning itself for a future of reliable and efficient service through these technological and regulatory advancements. Stay informed about T-Mobile's ongoing efforts to improve their systems. Utilize the Plan Guardian feature and other self-service tools. Monitor your account closely for any discrepancies. Be proactive in addressing any issues you encounter. By staying informed and proactive, you can minimize the impact of plan upgrade issues and ensure you're receiving the services you're paying for.